How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to another trade recap. I've officially made the switch from Forex to futures. I'm going to be trading futures from now. And yeah, let's get into it. Let's get into what I did, my process, what times I trade. So, my strategy doesn't involve daily bias. It doesn't involve daily bias at all. I mark out my 1 hour and my 15-minute confluences and I enter on the 1 minute. Once the 1 hour or 15-minute highs and lows get hit or fair value gap gets hit, I go down to the 1 minute and I wait for a reaction out of it, so that could be a break or structure. I wait for one of my 1 minute confluences to get hit and then I enter. It's the same process as the Forex strategy, but the only difference is there's SMT on indexes, and I actually forgot to use it today because you know how I normally trade Forex. I forgot about that confluence. Next time I need to keep that in mind. I trade from 8 to 9, so I do London session for Nasdaq. So I marked out my highs and lows on the 1 hour. There wasn't any fair value gaps, so I didn't bother marking them out. On the 15 minute, marked out my highs and lows as well. There was this fair value gap that was formed if price came back, pushed into it, and then I would have went long. On the 1 minute, market opens. On the 1 minute, market opened. We came down. This was one of our draws of liquidity. We didn't touch into it. Pushed up, touched into this 15. I think it was 15 minute. Let's check. Yeah, it was a 15-minute high. We touched into that. So now I'm waiting for a break of structure. We pushed up a lot. Now this is where I made the mistake. Price was here. It was literally pips away from this draw of liquidity. I was thinking, let me wait for price to hit that because it's pushed so far above this liquidity that we wouldn't get a sweep. But once we got a break of structure, I'm waiting for price to touch one of my confluences. So we get the break of structure right here with this candle. This candle broke structure. Now I'm waiting for one of my confluences to get hit. We touched literally like so tiny bit into this fair value gap here, and I entered off that candle closure. I went short. My stops were above these highs and my take profit was down at this draw on liquidity at market open. 3.91 risk to reward ratio. I think my first take profit was above at this fair value gap, and I didn't have a third take profit. It was just that and then all the way down there, but we got stopped out. Now this is the mistake that I made. Price has come up so far into that drawn liquidity. I should have waited for it, because as you can see, if I did, I don't think we would have took a trade today, but if we broke structure here, we would have. Nope, that wasn't a break of structure, because I trade from 8 to 9. Maybe I would have, because we broke structure here, but the confluence got hit here. I probably wouldn't have took a trade today anyway. Yeah, that's the mistake I made. It came up so high. Once I saw bearish movement, I was like, okay, like I probably should go short, but I should have just waited for the draws on liquidity to get swept, because this one got swept, but price pushed past above it so much. I should have known that, you know, it was gonna come out, take out these as well, but that was my mistake. And yeah, I'm gonna be trading futures from now. It's a lot better. Low time frame, I find it easier to trade as well. Moves are way more quicker. On Forex, sometimes it takes so long for the take profit to get hit, and apparently futures is a lot better as well from what I've seen. And yeah, I'm gonna be trading futures from now. There's a lot of news tomorrow, but I will still be trading because I trade London session, so it's before all these news come out. The only times I don't trade is when there's CPI, PPI, FOMC and NFP, non-farm payroll. So I will be trading tomorrow, and if I do take a trade, I will post a trade recap. Sometimes, guys, when the days I do trade, I don't post the video because sometimes there's just no entry. When I don't enter, I don't bother uploading it, but I might still do like a little market analysis on what I see and stuff. And yeah, please make sure to like, subscribe. I'll see you guys next time I trade.